We're going to look at adding GSM files into Archicad, particularly here for our site plan the first time doing this. There are some objects that I don't know are necessary, but more times than not you want in your design. First off is a gas grill. The grill option in the program is a kettle, like charcoal grill, and maybe that's not your outdoor cooking style. I did post a couple other designs here, or other files. A springboard, this is for if you build a pool, maybe you want a diving board, a play set, a picnic table, and that Adirondack chair. You most certainly can find other ones. This is Archie-based Planet. When you go to 3D models, you have a pretty extensive list. But one thing to keep in mind is that you are looking for GSM files, and not all of these are GSM files. I'd probably say about half of them are not. As you go through and you're looking through it and you find one that you plan to use, look here to see if it says GSM. You can then download it. I think you get 10 downloads per IP address. I think that's what it is. But it does take time. So over time, I have quite an extensive list of these. I can probably provide ones for you. There are definitely some limitations once you add these in. The program will slow down. You have very little control over these objects in terms of size and color for some of them. Some of them you can't change at all. Assigning them to a layer allows us to hide and show them as needed. This will keep your design process running faster until you actually need them. So if we take the gas grill as an example, I'm just downloading it, and I need to go into Archicad under File, Library Manager. And in my embedded library, I want to add a new file. So I just put them on the download. There's my gas grill. I'm going to open it. So now it's in this embedded library, and we can now use this like any other object or inserting any other object. So once I go to my objects, I should find my embedded library, and here's the gas grill. So in a 2D view, I can't change the fill on this one. Right now, whoops. In terms of overall color, I think this one you could go all one. It's really all or nothing for this one. Why is my black not black? This one you can change dimensionally. Again, I would not take huge swings at this in terms of dimensions. I'm just going to stay with the default ones. You can adjust these slightly. Maybe it's a little taller. Maybe it's a little wider. And maybe a little bit deeper. And I'm not taking huge swings on overall size. Okay, I can place it. I can rotate it. One other problem is finding the nodes on the object. My suggestion is to first off place that object off to the side, because as you select it, you don't really know where the nodes are. If I select the whole thing, okay, there's nodes in these corners, sometimes there's a node in the middle. Now I know where to select on this if I want to now rotate it or move it. I don't have a cover fill option or a 2D fill option for this one, but at this point I can drag it, I can rotate it. But again, finding those nodes is typically an initial problem. Being that this is a fairly small file, it's not going to lag too much. But one thing would be to make a layer for these objects, maybe even individual layers. make a layer specifically for the gas grill, which is a possibility. So I'd have to go to my layers. I'd create a new one and maybe call it grill. And I'm then going to assign this to that grill layer that I created. So if you start to find it lagging because you've now added these, I can hide and show this grill individually as needed. I can go to my layers, I can hide that layer. When I want to go to render or figure out where other furniture is going to go in this patio, I can then turn that layer back on and I won't have as much lag time. So let's do it one more time. I'm going to go and pull a file. Oh, let's say this Adirondack chair. I'm going to download it. I'm going to go to Archicad, File, Library Manager. My embedded library. I'm going to add a file. I'm going to choose this Adirondack chair. When I go to my objects, again, I won't have too much control over color and material. This one, I have found that you can change the color. Oh, now the grain's running the wrong way. Okay, better. Dimensionally, probably not too far off. I probably wouldn't make too many dimensional changes on this. And I'm going to add that, in this case, to my site plan. Again, I don't have a fill option. It is an object. Again, I mentioned this, but I just didn't do it. Where's the nodes at? Trying to find that initial node. By placing these off to the side and just establishing where the nodes are at will help you later on when you want to come back in order to rotate or move this. So now if I want to make a rotation, I know where to pick it up at. Assign this to a layer. Maybe you want to make a more general layer. Maybe just call it GDL or GSM files. Objects. And you can assign this. I gotta try to find that node. I can then assign this to that GSM file that I just made. I can go hide and show it. I can take my gas grill. I can now assign this to that GSM file if I want to put these in the same one. That way I can hide and show these at the same time. In alphabetical order. GSM, hide, GSM, show. Okay.